I am Simone Giacchetti from the Portfolio Marketing team, and today I'm here with Paul Christensen.
Yes.
Hello, Paul.
Hello,
Hi.
nice to meet you.
He is the head of the Digital Twin division of ProjectBinder. So, how are you?
I'm really good, thank you very much, and thank you for having me here. I think it's been a wonderful experience today, and I'm really looking forward for tonight and also for tomorrow.
Yeah, it's a pleasure having you here.
Thank you.
So let me ask you something. In which industries and what kind of applications do you work the most?
We actually work in all kinds of industries. We support our clients in both in packaging, in sorting, in material handling. But when you look at the industries, our majority is in the regulated industries. So life science is a really big chunk of our work today.
That's great. Yes. Great. And talking about that, how long have you been using Emily 3D and how are you addressing the needs of your customers with Emily 3D?
So we have been working with Emily 3D as a value-added reseller for 3 years now. We are supporting our clients, our customers in the digital journey. So enabling these Industry 4.0 activities in the digital twin is a very important thing. So we help them actually to reduce a lot of the risk. So when they're doing prototyping or when they're doing virtual commissioning, we are helping in doing that. But we also help them in saving a lot of material when they're running in the machines. So basically the digital twin helps them reduce a lot of the risk in their projects.
So, yes, so you would recap the main benefits
is risk, and of course for the sustainability is the less of the material that are used when running in projects.
That's very, very important. And now that you are using Emily 3D yes. for a long time, let's say, yeah. What are the next steps? What challenges you want to embrace now?
So we are actually working a lot with the different schools in trying to see the boundaries of the digital twin. So we just set up a small project to see how we can combine the machine learning and the digital twin to see if we can actually foresee some of the breakdowns in machinery. So it's a student project and something that we are trying to see the boundaries. It may work, it may not work, but other than that, we will just still continue supporting our clients in de-risking their facilities and help them being more productive. So utilizing the platform and the software as best as we can.
That's very, very good to know. So thanks for being here.
Thank you.
I hope we will have an opportunity to talk soon.
I'm sure we will, and thank you for having me. I appreciate it.
Thank you. Thank you, and see you next time.